Metal kids. All right, we are back. Time to unbox this second car. Are you ready? I'm ready. Hope you liked the last one. Let me move the camera here real quick. I apologize while I adjust. All right. This one's a cool one, I have to say. It's another Evolution car that's been digitally chipped. Another one-off from Carrera slots that they had. All right, here we go. The Porsche RS Spyder. Just wow. What a beautiful car, and so low to the ground. My goodness gracious me. Let's open this bad boy up and get her on the turntable. Wow, I'm just blown away. The picture didn't do the car justice, I'll tell you that. I can't believe how low it is. Maybe this thing will be something we can beat Adam's Cheetah with, because that car's so dang fast. And this car's in amazing condition. And the DHL livery. Another yellow car. I'm not big on yellow, so I've had my fill of yellow cars here. Between the yellow Porsche 917 and this. But I do love my Porsches. Looks like they put brand new braids on it. Braids look good. Here's your digital chip in it, so very nice. All right. Just the details amazing with all the liveries there. Michelin, Mobile, a couple I couldn't catch there. It looks like the Hyatt hotels, DHL. Oh my goodness gracious. Just a nice shot of the butt. The Mobile. Wow. And the driver looks amazing. What amazing detail on this older car. I'm not sure how old this one is, Carrera wise, and when it came out. If anybody knows, please comment down below. We appreciate that. But what a beautiful car. I'm very happy about this one. And we've got hole gauges for it right here, so that's good. Carrera slots. Work with them, they're awesome. Every now and then, if you look in the bargain bin, they'll be posting these one-off used cars that are, you know, slightly used that they sell, and a lot of them are kind of hard to find. They also had like a GT40 silver and black one, number 6, that I wanted to get, but I, you know, got to watch my budget. So, but I'm really excited about these 2 new cars, plus adding 2 new Porsches, so 4 Porsches in my stable. They may have to get their own garage. Anyway, we'll see, but thanks for watching this unboxing, kids. Hope you have a great day. Be nice to one another. Drive your slot cars. Have a good weekend. See you later, slot cowboys. Race on, metal.